Targus presents the Universal Quad HD Docking Station, Dock 520, the world's first docking station to deliver 4 HD extended displays. Targus Dock 520 boosts productivity anywhere multi-displays are used to monitor complex processes or view multiple information sources simultaneously as needed in call centers, financial offices, even design firms. Targus Dock 520 is powered by dual DisplayLink chip technology and supports 4 HD displays, boosting productivity and ease of transition between documents. USB-C? No problem. Targus Dock 520 is compatible with virtually any laptop, ensuring easy deployment with Thunderbolt 3, DisplayPort Alt Mode, USB 3, 3.1, and Type-C devices, enabling you to quickly plug in and connect at your workstation or home office. In addition, Dock 520 comes equipped with 4 USB 3.0 ports, enabling you to easily customize workspaces with the latest keyboards, external drives, and other essential peripherals. Efficient charging is close at hand with one powered USB 3.0 port for keeping your smartphone, tablet, or other devices powered up and ready to go. Targus Dock 520 is a CES 2019 Innovation Awards honoree as the industry's first universal docking station to support 4 HD extended displays. The new Dock 520 and the CES Award reaffirms Targus as a true innovator in universal docking. Expand your view with Targus Dock 520. Find more at targus.com.